turned the key, and nothing happened? Don't panic, cars fail to start for simple reasons. And no, it's not protesting because you didn't wash it. Here are the fastest things to check before calling a mechanic. First, the battery. If the lights are dim or clicking sound appears, your battery is weak. Clean the terminals or jump start. Hear a single loud click? That's often the starter motor failing. Battery is fine, but the engine isn't spinning. Think of it like a gym bro who looks strong, but can't lift. If the engine cranks but won't fire, it might be low fuel pressure. Could be clogged filter or weak pump. A blown fuse can also stop your car from starting. Simple to check. Just replace the burnt fuse. Ignore these signs and you might get stuck anywhere, even at midnight. Check battery, starter, fuel, and fuses. The quick start formula. Follow GearMind for simple car fixes anyone can understand.